everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. This is the part 2 video of one-word substitutions. Today, you're gonna learn a list of words ending with -ist. The suffix -ist is commonly used to denote a person who has a different habit or who has different ability or an expert. Number 1. Cardiologist. Cardiologist is a doctor who specializes in treating diseases of the heart. Number 2. CHIROPODIST. CHIROPODIST or podiatrist is a person whose job is to treat problems and diseases of people's feet. Number 3. Dermatologist. Dermatologist is a doctor who studies and treats skin diseases. Number 4. Egoist. Egoist is a self-centered or selfish person. Number 5. Fatalist. Fatalist is someone who believes that people cannot change the events and the way the events will happen, especially the bad ones, and cannot be avoided. Number 6. Funambulist. Funambulist is a person who walks on the rope, who is also called a tightrope walker. Number 7. Gynaecologist. Gynaecologist is a doctor skilled in the treatment of women's diseases, especially those of the reproductive organs. Number 8. Ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist is a doctor who treats eye diseases. Number 9. Optimist. Optimist is someone who always believes that good things will happen. Number 10. Pessimist. Pessimist is a person who thinks that bad things are more likely to happen or who emphasizes that bad part of the situation. Number 11. Philanthropist. Philanthropist is someone who gives money to help people who are poor or sick, or to pay for things such as museums or schools that are good for society. Number 12. Plagiarist. Plagiarist is a person who uses another person's ideas or work and pretends that it is his or her own. Comment the name of the plagiarist in your friend's gang. Number 13. Somnambulist. Somnambulist is a person who walks around while he or she is sleeping. Number 14. Somniloquist. Somniloquist is a person who talks in his or her sleep. Number 15. Ventriloquist. Ventriloquist is someone who entertains people by speaking without moving his or her lips to make it seem as if the voice is coming from somewhere else. Hope you gained plenty of knowledge. See you soon in the part 3 video of one-word substitutions. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and share chat. Thank you.